Shut up and sit down.
Welcome to a Chilli review. We've got Miko. He's come all the way from the other side of Brisbane to give us a hand. The mad chilli head. Loves his chilli.
Keen as beans.
Keen as beans. And yeah, we've wrote the missus in as well, Laura. Yeah, she can't handle chilli that much, so
Oh, whatever.
yeah.
Let's not underestimate people yet.
That's right.
We'll see. All right, here we go. For this review, we have got MrSauces, or SauceZ, mango barbecue sauce. Mango barbecue sauce. Apparently this one is perfect to go on your bacon and eggs, or you can use it as a basting sauce for pork ribs, or you could add some mayonnaise for a to make a nice dipping sauce. Well, we'll see how it goes. This one's considered a mild sauce as well, also gluten-free. Real smoky sort of.
I dig it.
Smells good.
Smells good. It's a little bit thicker than the other one.
Much thicker, eh?
Drink them out. There we go. Let's wait for the whole lot to land on the table.
Yeah, probably.
There we go. Cheers, mate.
Do yours next. There we go. Mango barbecue sauce.
Cheers.
Man, I really dig that, eh?
That is awesome.
That is great.
Flavour on that.
I'm giving that 9.5 out of 10 for flavour, eh?
Yeah, yeah,
At least.
yeah.
And it's still one regardless, hasn't it? So far.
It's probably got look, the garlic sauce.
Yeah.
Had zero heat. That I can get a little bit. I can detect a little bit of warmth from that. That's really good.
I'm looking forward to it even more on this nugget. Cheers, man.
I like it's got a bit of texture to it. Like it's not just a smooth sauce. Like there's, you know, you can like bits and stuff in there. So
Yeah, Ebony. Come here. Now, Ebony doesn't usually eat chili at all. I'm pretty sure she'll love this.
She'll dig this. Eh?
You'll love this. Want to try this one?
go on, try it. You're on camera.
No,
It's
It's
barbecue
sauce.
it's not hot at all. You'll be right.
Okay. Do you like that?
Is it nice? Isabel will like it, won't she?
So, even kid approved.
I really like that.
That is.
I'll recommend that for the masses, eh?
That's delicious.
On a burger, that'd be great.
Yeah, man.
He's giving that one a 2 out of 10 for heat.
Yeah, I'd say about that. 2 out of 10.
2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's probably average day. It's probably a bit
Yeah,
less than 2, but it's
Yeah.
average
Yeah.
2 out of 10, yeah.
Really, really tasty though.
Yep. Definitely recommend
Oh,
getting this one and having a go at it. MrSauces mango barbecue sauce. Thumbs up from me.
2 of them for me.